All right, welcome to the Canva tutorial for STEM Day 2022. Here's how we're going to be using Canva, or I guess any year, it doesn't really matter. For Canva, it's graphic design software that does a really amazing job of making it user-friendly and a low barrier to entry so that anybody can create some really cool graphic design, and Canva makes it really easy to do so. So, the tasks that you'll be using Canva for, you need to create a logo. Canva makes it very easy. You'll need to create a flyer or an ad, and then a 30-second commercial. And you can do that in Canva, though you don't have to. So first things first, canva.com. There is a free version of Canva. You're welcome to sign up for an account using your email or your Google account. It is free, like I said, although there is, of course, a paid version of it. So if you don't want to create your own account, log in using email. And the email you're going to use is fullsteamaheadfl+2@gmail.com. And the password is MAKE, capital S, exclamation mark, NGLEARN. I'm going to put that up on the screen for you in just a second here. Here is your username and password right there. fullsteamaheadfl+2@gmail.com. Password is makesinglearn, except it's got a capital S and an exclamation mark. All right. So I want to give you a quick tour of Canva here. This is our free personal edition. There's different editions. There's education and whatnot. Okay, so we've got lots of different templates that you can use, and that's what Canva does to make life much easier for us. Let's say I wanted to create a logo. If I come right here to templates, I can come down here. There we go, a business logo. You'll notice that I can do marketing flyers. You'll notice that I can do education certificates, canvas prints, photo books, postcards, Facebook channel, or YouTube channel art. There's 100 different templates you can use. So let's go with logos first. And in this example, we're going to be using the tree TP again. So we're going to try to create a logo, a new logo for the tree TP, even though they already have one. So click on logo. What Canva is going to do for you is going to show you all kinds of different logos. And all of these are customizable. All of these are changeable. You can change fonts, you can change colors, you can change images. But for the most part, you're going to want to start with something that catches your eye, something that looks nice to you, and that kind of gets across the point that you're trying to get across to your customers. So I'm looking for something that has a tree. Actually, that looks kind of nice with the leaves there. It's kind of eco-friendly. Let's see. I can search here. Let's see if we can find theme floral, maybe? I don't know if that's the right thing. Well, let's look for... Oh, I don't know. There's a million of them. Okay, I guess I'll just look for floral. So a lot of different options here. Let's find, oh, there we go. I like that. Well, look at that. It's actually like a tree teepee. Ah, perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and customize this template. In general, when you're making a logo, simplicity is very good. You want it to be easily recognizable, easily printable, easy to add to t-shirts, easy to add to banners, easy to add to. So simplicity is good. You don't want to overcomplicate things. This looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead. This is our tour. I'm going to skip tour. Now, each of these pieces can be individually edited. I can also edit the background. So let's say I want to just change the background color. I'm going to go with a white, or we'll go with gray for, ooh, that's not good. Let's go with the dark gray. You notice that if I click on this element here, this piece here, it has been, it's got the two colors there. So I'm going to change this one color to white, and this color is going to, I don't know, we're going to go with like a deeper green, just because I like that better. Now I can actually, I'll change this to white as well. Make my colors match here. Now I need to change the background to white so you can actually see what's going on. Oops, not white, black. Undo. There we go. Okay, not bad for the tree TP. Let's edit this text. We'll do tree TP. All right, interesting. So as you go over here, templates are your first thing to start with. Now, if you really want to start customizing things, you've got lots of different pieces you can add over here. So the first, then one of my favorite places to spend time in is the elements over here. So elements you can search for, and these are generally animated or graphics that have been made on the computer that you can use. So let's see if I can find something useful here. Something simple, preferably. Yeah, sure. Let's match our colors. Change it to white. Yeah, let's do this. Let's put the tree in the TP. So we'll move this down. There we go. Put the tree in the TP. Use the arrow keys to move it over a little bit. Here we go. That's okay. Now the elements are here. There's hundreds of those, and you can search for them. There's also photos. Photos are just pictures. Those you probably wouldn't include those in a logo, but those might be great in a video or in an ad. You'll notice that a lot of these are pro, so those you have to have the paid version for. So you'll have to find ones that are free that you can use, and there's tons of them that you can use. So shouldn't be an issue finding free ones, even though of course some of the best ones are pro. Other things, you can actually upload your own stuff. There are additionally there's graphics, there's videos you can add, and I'll show you how to use this in just a second. There's audio you can add if you're doing a video or a commercial or something like that. But this is kind of the basics. The best way to think about it is kind of like scrapbooking. So you've got elements, just kind of pieces that are cut out, and you can piece them together, put them together to create something almost like Tinkercad, but in a 2D environment here. I'm going to go ahead and change the name of my tree TP logo. There we go. So let me show you real quick how we can go ahead and create a video using the same program here. I'll show you as well. We've got some good templates for flyers. So look at flyers, and you can narrow down the templates. You can see all the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of flyers. So Chinese New Year looks popular at the moment. Let's see if we can find a new style here, or a new theme. Let's do promotional. Why not? See what that looks like. This does not at all. Oh, that's a paid one. Never mind. Let me find a free one. Yeah, a lot of these don't fit my theme here, but just to show you. So customize this template. So with this, I can go in, I can change all these colors. I can change these blues to blacks and grays, change the, you get the idea. So I can go in and change all the colors, make things customized to my brand. I don't know what I'm trying to accomplish here, but sure. I can change all the text, tree, TP, demo day, $5. I don't know what I'm trying to accomplish here, but just to show you that you can easily change all of these elements, add your own to create really sophisticated looking but easy to produce flyers and things like that. So flyers, easy enough. Let me go back. For videos, this is a little bit different. You can actually upload your own videos, but let's see what we can find here. I'll go for free. And you know what, let's start here. And we'll tree TP a revolution in tree watering tech. Sure. So what you'll notice now is that we can add in, if I go to more, click on videos, I can add in other types of videos, and they'll be pieced together here. So it's kind of like if you've ever used iMovie. This will be my first video. You can see it. Now I can record my own video and add it in. I can upload it, or I can use some of the stock stuff here. So here we go. Here's nature. Let's go down this road. There's a lot of pro ones here. This is a free. There we go. I can add text over top of that. Let's do stronger trees. And then I can do another video. And let me find one. There we go. Add that to my next frame. Add more text. %, less water. There we go. So here's my whole video so far. Oh, let me rewind it way back here. Tree TV, a revolution in tree watering tech. Could probably trim that down a little bit, huh? I'm gonna do that while we're looking at it. There we go. You get the idea. And we can add some music, add some audio to this, because that'll make things quite a bit better. Let's make sure we find some free stuff. Happy birthday? No, we're going for video game blockbuster. Let's see if we can find, not sad, advertising? Sure. Okay. Why not? Drag it right in there. Oh, let's move this on back. And there we go. Just like that, I've used stock video. I've used this pretty simple tool to create a almost professional looking commercial or ad for my product, even though I didn't put a lot of thought or effort into this one. So, but you can see just how easy it is, how convenient it is. This is why we love Canva. Okay. So in short, well, not in short, but there's endless possibilities with Canva. It makes creating these types of digital media much easier. You know, traditionally you'd have to learn an awful lot about something like Illustrator or Photoshop. It certainly does have its limitations, especially because you have to pay for a lot of the good stuff, but you can still make some really incredible designs, some really incredible things that look professional, that look really well done, and that's going to be important when you're presenting your product, your solution. So check it out, have fun, and create some awesome stuff.